Many enthusiastic friends put valuable suggestions on our previous video. First, put the broken wood together. Make a 1-star mark. Pour the matched carbon fiber, impregnating adhesive on the wood. Rolling and make it smooth. Cut carbon fiber fabric. Bond it. Scraping and make it even. Rolling the adhesive again until the fabric is fully penetrated. Curing and maintaining for 7 days. Run the car crushing test again. The wood repaired by the carbon fiber has no crack after crushing. Then turn over the wood and run the test again. After turn over it, there is no joint force to support the wood. There is rupture in the wood. The brake position is different from last time. It proves that the strength of the previous crack position has improved after penetrated the adhesive. What tests do you want to do? Just leave a comment.